Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Valentine's Day Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up my Instagram application and I'm going to give you Instagram story idea for the Valentine's Day. I'm going to click on your story and we can go to the templates and we're going to use this trending Valentine's Day template to create Instagram story. Click on this template and we're going to add our photos to this template. I'm going to add photo from my gallery. The first photo we need to add someone we love. I'm going to go to my gallery and I'm just going to pick random photo from here. Okay, and then picture of you. I'm going to choose this one for example, and then we need to add a view we love. For the view, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and food that we love. I'm just going to choose this food. And then the flower we love. I'm going to add this flower. Okay, and then the last one is song we love. For the song, I'm going to add this picture as the background. Okay, and then click on the check mark. And then we're going to add song to this Instagram story. You can click on this music icon and choose the song that you like. For the song, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to add music disc and click on done. And I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, I'm just going to place it right here. And now it's done guys. And once you're ready to share the Instagram story, you can click on your story right here. And then the Instagram story will be uploaded to your account. Okay, but before you upload it, actually you can continue the editing. For example, you can add a fact or filter to make it more captivating. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on your story to upload it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a Valentine's Day Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.